Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you the 2020 Excalibur 9. So this bike, first of all, has a really cool color scheme. It has 27.5 wheels, hydraulic Shimano disc brakes. It also has a RockShox Judy shock. We put a bag in the back with a fixed seat post and a Arvada seat. Additionally, it has Bontrager XR2 tires, and up here it has suspension lockout, a bell, as well as SLX Shimano shifting with 12 speed, I believe. It also has a water bottle cage, some pedals which need upgrading because these are the ones that came with the bike and they're quite cheap, obviously. And yeah, so this is a really great XC bike which flies down those trails and helps you win the races.